Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today is my favorite shopping day of the entire year. Move over Black Friday, you're dead to me, okay? Prime Day is my personal favorite because I get almost everything on Amazon. You know why? Because I want it all and I want it delivered fast. If you are also an Amazon shopper and you're new here, make sure you are following me because I call myself the Amazon queen of YouTube. Some people have real talents. My talent is finding good stuff on Amazon. And the best part, this year we're shopping for a good cause. I will be donating all of my commission from Prime Day to help clear teacher wish list. This is just a small way I wanted to give back and say thank you for all of you who watch my videos and shop through my links. I will have the links to everything down below. Let's get started with my first pick in the home category, and it is this pan. I am so excited about this pan. This is something I got for myself for Prime Day. It is called the Goodful Pan, and this is an 11-in-1 pan. So the idea here is you can declutter your entire cabinet of pots and pans and replace it with this. The shape and depth of this allows it to be a saute pan, a soup pan, frying pan, stock pot, wok. And I don't know if you've seen the ads for the Always pan. Those have been stalking me for months, but that pan is $150. This one on Prime Day comes down to under $50. This is non-stick and non-toxic. You know, most non-stick pans have that very toxic coating on it, the Teflon. You do not want to go near that. This one does not. This one is dishwasher safe. It even comes with a wooden spatula. So for Prime Day, this is 38% off. It comes down to under $50. Same concept as the Always pan for 1/3 of the price. Yes, please. My next top pick in the home category, if you do not already have the little green cleaning machine, this is a necessity in your household if you have kids or pets. This is a mini portable upholstery cleaner. It packs a punch. It is so powerful, but this will get stains out of your couch, your rugs, your carpet. This on Amazon has over 43,000 reviews and 4.5 out of 5 stars. This rarely goes on sale. It's 30% off, and this is something you will keep, you will use for many years. I've had this little guy here for 4 years and it's still going strong. So I have recently declared Tupperware bankruptcy. Like, our Tupperware situation was just a hot mess, and I switched to all glass Tupperware. This glass Tupperware set is on such a crazy Prime Day discount that I thought it was a typo. You can get a 14-piece set of glass Tupperware with the anti-leak lids for 18 bucks. I'm sorry, I paid $34 for that exact same set 3 weeks ago. Now I have all matching Tupperware and it's glass, which is so much healthier for you because when you reheat your food in plastic, those chemicals leach into your food. So glass is just so much cleaner and safer. Now I have to talk about the big three: air fryer, Instant Pot, and vacuum. All of these are on insane discounts. If you don't have an air fryer yet, I can confirm 1000% it is worth the hype. It is my #1 most used kitchen appliance. Like, if I had to get rid of every other appliance and just keep one, it would be the air fryer. The specific one I have is by the Cosori brand. I watched a bunch of review videos and consistently Cosori is the top rated, top reviewed. All of the Cosori brand air fryers are on discount. Not only is the air fryer gonna cook anything you can make in the oven in literally half the time, it almost always tastes better because it allows it to get nice and crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. You can make any oven recipe in the air fryer. All you have to do is subtract 25 degrees and put it in for half the time, and then check on it every couple of minutes. Every Prime Day list you're gonna watch is probably gonna mention the Instant Pot because they are on sale for 40% off, like major discount on the Instant Pot. That is my husband Ryan's most used kitchen appliance. He meal preps all of his food for the week in the Instant Pot, and we may actually get a new one because we've had ours for like 5 or 6 years and he wants a bigger one. And my #1 pick in the home category is the Shark vacuum. A couple weeks ago, I did a Vacuum Wars battle. I tested the top rated vacuums against each other. This Shark vacuum was the winner by a landslide. And then lo and behold, after paying full price, I find that it is currently on sale for $120 off. And I have had 2 Dysons. I've had a $700 LG cord-free vacuum. This one I like better. So if you are not loving the cordless vacuum that you have, if it's starting to break down on you, I would totally recommend the Shark. Now switching gears to the beauty category, my top pick in all of beauty is this right here, the Grande Lash Eyelash Serum. You guys, this brought my lashes back from the dead. I wore lash extensions for 2 years, so my lashes were these little stubs. So I started using this. It takes a couple months, like you have to use it every day for 2 months. I will show you a close-up. These are all my natural lashes now, and they just keep growing. Like the more I use this, the longer they're getting. All of the Grande Lash products are 30% off. If you want to do this small trial size, it's only $25. I would get the larger size. I'm actually stocking up myself on a few of the larger sizes because I'm pretty much a customer for life. Once I have these gorgeous lashes, I can't go back. The best eyeshadow palette, my hands down favorite. It is on a Prime Day sale for $31. It is this Lorac Gold palette. The pigmentation, the payoff, the colors in this are just perfect for me and how I like to do my eyeshadow. I never do anything crazy with colors. I keep it pretty neutral, but I also want a little pop, a little shimmer. And so this has the really pretty gold tone shimmer shades. We have the matte neutral shades. Like I could do any eye look that I want with this palette. I'm a makeup minimalist and I only keep things that I really absolutely love, like holy grail products. It's 25% off for Prime Day. My self tanner is 20% off, the Beauty by Earth. I did this whole series on my Instagram stories recently talking about how I am making the switch to as many non-toxic products as possible. And I'm not over here trying to be the toxic police, but for self tanner, it's kind of a big one because it's covering your entire body and your skin absorbs 60 to 70% of what you put on your body. So I just wanted a healthier for you self tanner that still works. So according to the EWG website, this is the healthiest self tanner out of every single one on the market. They have them all rated based on their ingredients and it works. Like I'm wearing it right now. It gives a really beautiful natural looking color. And along those lines, my favorite natural deodorant is 20% off. About 4 years ago, I did a video where I tested over 20 different natural deodorants. The Little Seed Farm was the winner of that test. It took me 3 months to do, and years later, this is still the best one. I like the cucumber scent. I've tried all the different scents. The cucumber for me is just the one. That might just be personal preference, but if you do get this, you need their special applicator. It goes right perfectly in the pits. I will say it's a little bit annoying that it comes in the pot and not in a stick, but it's worth it. With Prime Day special, this comes down to under $10. Now is the time to try it. So try it if you are looking to make the natural swap. Like these two right here, power couple. The cult favorite, the Laneige Sleeping Lip Mask is 30% off. So I put this on right before I go to bed at night and you just wake up with really hydrated, plump lips. If you have not tried this yet, you've probably seen people talking about it over the years because it's just one of those staple products and it's 30% off. I have a lot of beauty. Okay, let's talk hair. I'm a hair girl. Like if my hair looks good, I feel good about myself. So first, this Dry Bar blow drying brush, it allows you to give yourself a blowout. It's designed by Dry Bar, which all they do is blow drying. So they know their stuff. Like, I'm sorry, I've never been able to get my hair to look this soft and shiny and get that blowout effect myself. The key when you use this, you need to have tension on the hair. It has a combination of 2 different types of bristles that give you the tension that you need. And this for Prime Day is $50 off. 2 other hair necessities. If you're using the blow dry brush, a curling iron, a straightening iron, you need a good heat protectant. And this for me, the Moroccan Oil Perfect Defense Heat Protectant is the best one. I've had such a struggle finding a good one because I would find if I used a heat protectant, my curl and my style wouldn't hold for whatever reason until I found this. You want to use this on damp hair. It protects your hair up to 450 degrees. This is 30% off for Prime Day. Other cool little hair styling tool that I use is this, also by Moroccan Oil. It is a straightening brush. So I use this on my next day hair. So on day 1, I use the blow drying brush, so it's nice and pretty and silky smooth. And then on day 2, I use this, which is a straightening iron in a brush. So it has ion technology that helps reduce frizz. It just makes it look really smooth. And this one has the plates on either side, and you can use that on the top of your hair to get rid of any flyaways, and you can use it to do a little curl under on the bottom. So when you see me with my straight hair, I use this blow drying brush on day 1, and then day 2, 3, 4, I use this just to maintain it and to keep it looking really silky. Best rated, most talked about curling iron, the T3. These are on Prime Day sale. I'm actually not sure the exact amount. I'll put it up on the screen. I am going to give this away to somebody watching. So if you've been watching to this point, as long as you are following me here with the notifications turned on, make sure you turn on that bell notification and leave any comment down below, and I'm gonna pick somebody at random to win. This is like a $200 curling iron. And my last top pick in beauty are the Lumino teeth whitening strips. This is a non-toxic teeth whitening strip. If you have sensitive teeth, like this is the one. I have tried the Crest White strips. They do work amazingly well, but it feels like someone is stabbing my gums. Like my teeth are just way too sensitive. These work just as well, but you do need to do a couple more applications. Like the Crest, I find works faster. I will apply these as I'm getting ready, and I'll do it a few days in a row until I get the whitening level that I want. They are 40% off for Prime Day. So now is the time to stock up. I'm gonna stock up myself. We're gonna finish with the random category. My number 1 most used gadget, this portable charger, is 33% off, coming down to $22. You can see I have 2 of them because I need an upstairs one and a downstairs one. Because my little trick, little life hack that I do is I charge my phone with this. I only use this to charge my phone. So my phone never has to be tethered to the wall. That's not my life anymore, okay? This one in particular, best portable charger that's out there. It plugs directly into the wall, and it comes with all of the cords built into it. So you don't need to keep track of any other cords. For Prime Day sale, they are 33% off, bringing them down to $22. So get yourself one of these if you don't already have them. They are so handy. If you have kids and it's hot where you live this summer and you want to entertain them, an inflatable water slide, I can tell you this is worth every penny. You can inflate this, and then you can sit over to the side and watch your kids go up and down for hours. Like Carter would play on this for literally 3 to 4 hours at a time. A bunch of them are on sale for Prime Day, so I will link a few down below. I will put here on the screen the one I decided on. Other game changer if you have kids, it is this 2-in-1 toilet seat. So it's a regular toilet seat lid with the kids' toilet seat lid built into it, so you don't need to mess with the separate kids potty with those big attachments that you have to put on and take off all day long. Like, no, don't do that. Get one of these built-in lids. They're on sale for Prime Day for 20% off. I only have 2 products in the clothing category because, controversial opinion, I just don't find a lot of luck in the clothing category on Amazon. I'm a big fabric person, and if the fabric isn't right, I don't love it. This adorable PJ set, it has the really nice satin material, comes in a bunch of cute patterns, is under $20 on Prime Day. This is perfect if you have a vacation coming up and you want to get matching PJs for everyone. And my number 1 favorite pair of jeans. These are just perfection for what I'm looking for in a pair of jeans. They're 40% off, and I like that they're not too skinny and tight, and they're not too baggy and unflattering. This is just the perfect middle ground, what I've wanted, and they are on sale for $40. So I definitely recommend trying these. I was just editing and realized I forgot to mention the Kindles are on sale. If you follow my Instagram stories, you know that I'm obsessed with reading. I am a Kindle lover through and through because I can read one-handed. I could read at night without a light because there's a light built in, but it has the warm light so it doesn't disrupt my sleep. I have the new Kindle Signature Paperwhite that has the slightly larger screen. It has wireless charging and then the warm light for nighttime reading, which I love, so I definitely recommend this one. And all of the Kindles and Amazon devices are on major sale for Prime Day, so I will link the exact one that I have. Make sure you are subscribed with the bell notification turned on. Leave any comment below and I will pick someone at random for this T3 curling iron. I'm going to leave in the description box the links to everything I talked about. I will also be sharing more deals over on my Instagram stories, as well as doing some giveaways over there at Vassar Beauty. Tune into my stories. And with all of that said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with a new video. Bye.